Dear students, in this video, let's understand SLC Social Science question paper pattern. How it will be the question paper pattern according to the board examination. So, let's start. First main, multiple choice questions. So, in this section, 4 choices are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements, and only one of them is correct and are most appropriate. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer in this section. So there are 8 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Next one, second main, that is answer the following questions in a sentence each. So in this section, each question carries 1 mark. You need to answer in a sentence or in one word. Next main, third main, answer the following questions in 4 points each. So in this particular, each question carries 2 marks. You need to write 4 points for each question. There are 10 questions supplied to you. You need to write the answer for 8 questions. Next main, fourth main, answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. So here, each question carries 3 marks. You need to write 6 points for each question. There are 13 questions supplied to you, but you need to write the answer only for 9 questions. There are some extra questions as well. You can choose any 9 questions out of 13 questions. Next main, fifth main, answer the following questions in about 8 sentences each. So here, each question carries 4 marks. So you need to write at least 8 points for one question. There are 5 questions given, but you need to answer only 4 questions. One extra question supplied to you. Next main, sixth main, here is the map section. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following. So here, you need to draw the India map neatly and label places given. So here 1 mark given to the map, 4 mark for labeling the places. So 5 marks totally. So places are usually picked up from geography sections, not history, not any other section, only from geography section. Thank you.